Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring the best sun-loving plants for beginners. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Sunflowers. Sunflowers are one of the easiest plants for beginners because they're both fast-growing and low maintenance. Their tall stems and big cheerful blooms follow the sun across the sky, making them a fun plant to watch as they grow. Sunflowers are also versatile. You can grow them in garden beds, along fences, or even in large pots. Important care tips. Plant sunflowers in the brightest spot possible. They need 6 to 8+ hours of sun daily. Water deeply once or twice a week. Let the soil dry slightly between waterings. Direct sow seeds in the ground or final container since they don't transplant well. Use well-draining, moderately fertile soil to avoid soggy roots. Zinnias. Zinnias are bright, colorful flowers that thrive in hot, sunny gardens. They're perfect for beginners because they grow quickly, bloom non-stop, and come in a wide variety of cheerful colors. These flowers also attract pollinators, making your garden more lively and healthy. Important care tips. Plant in full sun for best color and flower production. Water at soil level to avoid wetting leaves, which can cause mildew. Direct sow seeds in warm soil. They germinate quickly and grow fast. Deadhead spent blooms to keep flowers coming all season. Marigolds. Marigolds are tough, cheerful flowers that bloom all summer long. They're known for repelling pests naturally, making them a great companion plant for vegetable gardens. Beginners love them because they're hardy, forgiving, and provide months of bright color. Important care tips. Grow marigold in full sun to keep blooms strong and vibrant. Water regularly, but avoid soggy soil. Marigolds tolerate dry spells. Plant from seeds or starter plants. Both grow quickly. Pinch off dead flowers to encourage new blooms. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a garden favorite and one of the most rewarding plants for beginners. With enough sun, they'll give you juicy, homegrown fruits that taste far better than store-bought. They come in many varieties, from small cherry tomatoes to large beefsteaks. Important care tips. Tomatoes need at least 6 to 8 hours of sun daily to produce fruit. Keep soil consistently moist, watering at the base to prevent leaf disease. Use stakes or cages to support plants as they grow tall and heavy. Add compost or fertilizer for healthy growth and big harvests. Basil. Basil is one of the easiest herbs to grow and a must-have for beginner gardeners who love cooking. Its fragrant leaves are perfect for pasta, salads, and fresh dishes. Basil grows quickly in warm, sunny weather and can even be grown in pots on a balcony. Important care tips. Basil needs full sun and warmth to thrive. Keep soil moist but not soggy, watering regularly in hot weather. Pinch off flower buds to keep leaves tender and flavorful. Harvest leaves often to encourage more growth. Lavender. Lavender is a fragrant, hardy plant that brings beauty and a calming scent to gardens. It's drought-tolerant once established and can be used for crafts, cooking, or just as a pollinator magnet. Beginners love it because it looks stunning and thrives with minimal fuss. Important care tips. Plant it in full sun for strong fragrance and growth. Use well-draining soil. Lavender hates soggy roots. Water sparingly once established. It prefers drier conditions. Prune lightly after flowering to keep plants neat and healthy. Petunias. Petunias are colorful, easy-to-grow flowers that bloom non-stop in full sun. They're perfect for brightening up garden beds, hanging baskets or containers, and they'll reward beginners with vibrant color all season long. Important care tips. Grow petunias in full sun to keep blooms abundant. Water regularly, especially in containers, but avoid waterlogged soil. Remove spent flowers or dead head to encourage continuous blooming. Use a balanced fertilizer every few weeks for best results. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are one of the most rewarding vegetables for beginners. They grow quickly in warm weather, producing crisp, refreshing fruits perfect for salads and snacks. With enough sun and water, cucumbers thrive in both gardens and large containers. Important care tips. It needs full sun and warm soil for fast growth. Keep soil consistently moist. Dry spells can make fruits bitter. Provide a trellis or support to save space and keep fruits clean. Harvest regularly to encourage more production. Geraniums. Geraniums are bright, cheerful flowers that add pops of color to sunny spaces. They're beginner-friendly, thrive in pots or garden beds, and bloom throughout the warm months with minimal effort. Important care tips. Plant in full sun for the most vibrant flowers. Water when the topsoil is dry. Avoid overwatering. Deadhead blooms and trim stems to encourage new growth. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks for steady flowering. Pepper plants. Pepper plants, whether sweet or spicy, are beginner-friendly vegetables that thrive in sunny, warm conditions. They're compact, productive, and perfect for containers or garden beds, rewarding you with colorful, flavorful harvests. Important care tips. It needs full sun and warmth to produce lots of peppers. Keep soil evenly moist. Avoid letting it dry out completely. Use a balanced fertilizer or compost for steady growth. Harvest peppers regularly to encourage more fruiting. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best sun-loving plants for beginners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!